Hello everyone and welcome back. I have got a little tiny piece of wood here. I used my Dremel and dug in some deep holes. I've got some silver mica powder from Resin. I've got some black mica powder from Resin and a little bit of blue. Let's see, how much resin do I have? I got about 50 grams of resin, so not very much. Pour some in that one. Pour a little bit in this one. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna do the silver in this little bitty one. Get this mixed up. Probably this one. And I think I'll do some of the Let's Resin Blue in here. Make sure your mica powder is mixed up really well. I did put it through the vacuum chamber for a few minutes. What I'm gonna do now is add a little bit of each of these to a cup at a time. So we're gonna put a little bit of blue. A little bit of the black. And I'm afraid I have more black than anything. Some silver. One more time. Tiny bit of the black. And if I can get any more silver to come out, there is just a tiny bit in there. It's almost like the silver disappeared. No, I see some. And that's okay if it's going over a little bit. It will sink a little bit and I can sand the rest off. I'm gonna let that cure. That's all I'm doing to it. And we'll make something cool here in a little while. Bye. Okay guys, let's start on this one. Now, would it be easier to cut the shape of a heart and then do it? Oh, for sure. But I don't have that kind of tools, you know what I mean? Okay, back to working on this again. What am I wanting to do here? Valentine's Day is coming up. So why not make a, you know, something to sit on the desk or dresser? Need to take some more off right here. But it's looking so good. I think it's real pretty. That wood's gorgeous, period. I don't even need any resin in that wood. It's so beautiful. Love it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna work on this for a little while, take a break, and I'll be back. See you soon. Okay, guys, I've been sanding it, and I've been using the Let's Resin sander too, up to 5,000 grit. So let's do a little polishing. It's slippery. No one's gonna eat off this, so I guess I can use it all over. Can I put it on wood? I don't know. I might have to do a top coat of the beeswax. I've just been using this for my resin. Let's go ahead and do that resin part. Pretty. Let's do it again. Shiny though. Not as shiny as I want it to be. Pretty. Okay. Let's put some beeswax on it now. Beautiful. Look at the grain of the wood. Now the back, I just sanded it. You know, I didn't make sure it was perfect. But the front looks so pretty. And that grain is so amazing. Love it. I think it looks great. You know, and you can go buy a heart in the store, but it's not gonna be one you made, you know, with your own 2 hands. I got pieces of my thing flying off. Okay, now I could have got it a little better right there, but I think it looks great. I could have also, remember when I poured that silver in it? You know, you can see a little bit of the silver in that. If I would have took it down farther on the sides and everything, you would have seen it, but I think it's great. Perfect gift. Just as a I love you to someone you love, whether it be a spouse or a child or a parent. You know, just a beautiful heart for them to use as a paperweight or whatever they want. Anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you all later. Bye.